This is how I make my own electric fence gate handles. I've made thousands of these handles. The design has evolved slightly over the years into the one I'm about to show you. To make the job easier, you need a pair of fencing pliers, a pair of pipe cutters and a vise. To make the handles from 15mm low density polypipe and number 8 wire, I'm using second-hand wire here. I find 25cm about 10 inches is a good length to make them. Using an already made handle as a guide, I cut the pipe to size. Using a length of wire with crimped ends as a guide, I cut pieces of wire to approximately 73cm, 28.5 inches in length. I bend the wire to form a loop, making one end of the loop slightly longer than the other. Next, I put a piece of 15mm steel pipe in the vise. Bending the wire around the pipe forms a nicely shaped ring. I then put the ring end in the vise. This helps keep the shape of the ring. Then I bend the ends of the wire towards each other. I take a piece of pipe and slide it over the wire. Tapping the wire to get a snug fit. I put the handle back in the vise and slightly bend the ends over. Then take the fencing pliers and bend the ends over, keeping the pliers as close to the pipe as you can. This pulls the wire tight against the pipe. Then cut one end flush and the other end longer. I make my long hook about 5cm, 2 inches long. If you're purchasing new materials, these cost approximately 65 cents New Zealand. That's 42 cents US to make. Happy handle making, and thanks for watching.